Welcome to another exciting lesson in our web development journey. In this video, we'll focus on two fundamental HTML elements, links and lists. These elements are crucial for enhancing the usability and organization of your web pages. Think about your favorite websites, what keeps you engaged. Often, it's the seamless navigation enabled by links and the clear presentation of information provided by lists. Links allow users to connect to different pages, sections, or even external resources with a simple click. They are the backbone of web navigation, directing users where they need to go. Meanwhile, lists play a vital role in presenting information in a structured and digestible format. Whether you are crafting a navigation menu, listing product features, or providing instructions, understanding how to effectively use links and lists will elevate your web development skills significantly. In this video, we'll cover how to create various types of links, including internal links that guide users within your site and external links that direct them to other websites. We'll also explore how to create ordered and unordered lists to present information clearly. By the end of this lesson, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to enhance your web pages, making them more interactive and user-friendly. So, let's jump right in and start with adding hyperlinks. To create hyperlinks in HTML, we utilize the anchor tag, or A. This tag is essential for linking to other pages or websites. The structure of an anchor tag is quite straightforward. You start with A, followed by the href attribute that specifies the URL you want to link to. For example, if we want to create a link to a website, we would write it as follows: a href equals https://example.com, visit example per A. When users click on this link, they are directed to the specified URL, enhancing their browsing experience. One of the key features of hyperlinks is the ability to make them open in a new tab. You can achieve this by adding the target attribute with the value _blank. For instance, a href equals https://example.com target equals _blank, visit example in a new tab A. This feature is particularly useful when you want to keep your site open while users explore additional resources. When creating links, it's important to use descriptive link text. Instead of generic phrases like click here, use specific descriptions such as read our latest blog post on web development. This practice improves accessibility for users relying on screen readers, as they will have a better understanding of where the link leads. Additionally, descriptive text can positively impact your search engine optimization, helping your site rank better in search results. As we move forward, let's look at how to link to external websites and the best practices associated with that. Now that we've covered links, let's talk about unordered lists. Lists are a great way to organize content, and they can make information much easier to digest. An unordered list in HTML is created using the UL tag, which stands for unordered list. Inside this tag, each item in the list is marked with the _, tag, which stands for list item. For example, if we want to list some fruits, we could write UL. Li apples, li bananas, li cherries, li UL. When rendered in the browser, this will display as a bulleted list. Unordered lists are useful when the order of the items doesn't matter. It's a simple yet effective way to present information without implying any ranking or sequence. You can also style these lists with CSS to change the bullet style, or even replace them with images. This adds a personalized touch to your website and enhances its aesthetic appeal. In contrast to unordered lists, ordered lists are used when the sequence of items is important. These lists are created using the UL tag, which stands for ordered list. Similar to unordered lists, each item is defined using the li tag. Let's say we want to create a step-by-step recipe. The code might look like this: UL. Li gather ingredients, li preheat the oven, li mix the ingredients, li bake for 20 minutes, li UL. When displayed in the browser, this will show a numbered list, clearly indicating the order in which the steps should be followed. This is particularly useful in scenarios like tutorials or instructions where sequence matters. Just like with unordered lists, you can style ordered lists using CSS to customize the numbering system or adjust the overall appearance. Lists can also be nested within each other to create sublists. This is particularly useful for organizing complex information or categorizing items. To create a nested list, simply place an unordered or ordered list within a list item. For example, consider a list of groceries that includes categories. You might write, ul. Li fruits, ul. Li apples, li. Li bananas, li. Ul. Li. Li vegetables, ul. Li carrots, li. Li broccoli, li. Ul. Li. Ul. When rendered, this will show a bulleted list of fruits and vegetables, each containing its own sublist. Nesting lists can help create a clear hierarchy and make your content more organized. Just be mindful of how deep you go with nesting, as too many layers can make it difficult for users to follow. Utilizing nested lists can significantly enhance the readability and structure of your web pages. In this video, we explored the crucial components of links and lists in HTML. We learned how to create links using the a> tag, allowing users to navigate between pages and external sites. We also covered how to create unordered and ordered lists using the ul and ol tags, respectively, to present information in a clear and organized manner. Additionally, we looked at the importance of nesting lists for better organization. Understanding these basic yet powerful HTML elements will significantly enhance your web development skills, allowing you to create more interactive and structured web pages. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into forms and how to collect user input effectively. Don't forget to practice what you learned today by experimenting with links and lists on your own web pages. Keep coding, and see you in the next video.